How to sell resume templates on Etsy. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sell resume templates on Etsy. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to etsy.com, or you can simply click the link on the description below, and you will be directed on this page in which it will show you the details about this platform. And if you don't know Etsy, it is an e-commerce platform and online marketplace known for its focus on handmade, vintage, and unique products, in which it provides a platform for artisans, crafters, artists, and independent sellers to sell their handmade or vintage items to a global audience. And aside from that, Etsy has grown significantly since its inception and has become a trusted destination for buyers seeking a unique and artisanal products, since it supports small businesses and encourages the growth of creative entrepreneurs. And to create or sign in this platform, just click the sign in button on the top right corner. And after that, from here, all you need to do is to go to the search bar of Etsy to see some of the resume sample that are already selling by other seller. So from here, just enter resume and proceed by clicking the search button. And after that, below here, it will show you some of the resume sample that is selling on this platform Etsy. And as you can see, each resume contains the corresponding prices. And you could also see here some of the rating from the customers who already purchased this resume digital products. And aside from that, you will see that each resume contains a different kind of style, such as the color, the font of the text, and also the background of it. And now, to see the sample resume, kindly proceed by simply clicking or selecting a resume in here. So for instance, I'm going to choose this one, so kind of click on it, and after that, from here, you will see the preview picture about this resume, while also on the right side panel from here, you will see the corresponding prices and the title of this resume, in which it has a title of Resume Template Professional Modern Resume Template for Pages, Word and Google Docs, Clean Modern Executive Resume Template 2022. And below that, you will see the item details, including digital download and digital file types, which is in zip file. And aside from that, if you want to see the other details, just proceed by clicking this button that says Learn More about this item. And below here, it will show you the other details that you need to know before buying this resume, including the things that you will receive upon buying or purchasing this resume, in which you will get a Microsoft Word files, a Mac Pages files, a Google Doc files, 1-page resume template, 2 pages resume template, or 3 pages resume template. And aside from that, you will also get a reference template, cover letter template, depending on the templates that you avail. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you other kind of templates that are selling by other sellers. And that would make the competition more harder, and the choices of the buyer to the Etsy platform will also be broader. So in creating a resume templates that you want to sell in Etsy, you also need to make sure that your resume templates will stand out among the other sellers or competitors. And in creating a resume templates, you can use the Canva platform. And to do that, all you need to do is to go to the next tab and just enter canva.com. And from here, all you need to do is to sign in your account, and you will be directed on this page. And from here, to start creating a resume templates, you can simply enter on the search bar of this Canva resume templates, in which upon clicking enter on your keyboard, you will be directed on this page, and it will show you below some of the template for resume. Or alternatively, you can choose the blank page or to create blank in order to create a resume templates from scratch. However, I'm going to choose to start creating a resume templates with the use of these given templates below. And also from here, if you're using a free account on Canva, you will not be able to access some of the resume templates that contain a crown icon, since it is only applicable if you're using an upgrade account. And now, the next thing that we need to do is to simply select a sample templates from here. So let's say I'm going to choose this one, and upon clicking on it, it will show you the preview picture of what the template resume looks like, including the content, the design, and the number of pages it consists. And now to use the template that you choose, all you need to do is to simply click the Customize this template button right here, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, you will see on the left side panel some of the editing tools that you can choose, and you can start navigating in order to customize your resume templates. We have here designs, elements, text, brand, uploads, draw, and project. Or alternatively, by simply clicking any of the elements or context of this given template, you will be able to start customizing the content. For instance, we're going to change this context into your name. And aside from that, you could also customize this context using the editing tools on the top panel, including to change the font size, and also the color of this text. And aside from that, you could also navigate the elements option on the left side panel. By simply clicking on it, it will show you some of the elements that you can add, including a line, a shapes, a graphics, a photos, and any other elements that will make your resume templates more creative or more standout among the other competitors that is also selling a resume templates. And aside from that, for instance, I'm going to change or highlight some of the text by simply clicking on it, and I'm going to make it bold in order to make this part of the resume be visible or highlight. Since in creating a resume templates, you must add some of the information that are needed, including the contact information, and also the objective or summary that summarizes your career goals and qualifications. And aside from that, you could also add your work experience, the education, and your skills. And if you're now done customizing your resume templates in Canva, to download these templates that you just customized, just proceed by clicking the share button on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, from here if you scroll down you will see the download options. So kinda click on it, and it will show you some other options that you can download the file type, but it is suggested to use the PDF as standard. And aside from Canva, you could also create a resume templates on the Google Docs. And to do that, just go to your next tab and enter docs.google.com. And from here, you could also see a lot of templates of resume under your template gallery by simply clicking in here, and under the general, all you need to do is to find this resumes template. And from here, it will show you a variety of styles that you can use as a reference in creating your own resume templates. And now to proceed, kindly click on it. And after that, from here, you will be able to start customizing your template, including to add a sample description or context, and also to add a background to your page, or even change the font color, the font size, and even the font style. And after you're done customizing your templates in Google Docs, just click the file option on the top panel and proceed by clicking the download button and select the PDF as your file type. And after downloading the file from Google Docs or even from Canva, all you need to do is to go to your Etsy account, and from here you can start uploading your resume templates that you just been generated. And in adding a description and other details, you could also use some of the sample in here as your guide in creating your description and details. So that is just how you can sell resume templates on Etsy. Thank you.